Good afternoon, future leaders. I am Rian Julia M. Mahadap. I'll be your moderator today, virtual focus group discussion. Today we will be discussing an important topic, the impact of online platforms on the growth of small business. Later on, I'll be asking some questions, starting from simple one to more complex one, to help me and my fellow researcher gain deeper insight into this topic. So be ready as we explore this together. Before we begin, here are the ground rules to keep in mind. The first one is listen carefully. Pay full attention to whoever is speaking. The second one is participate actively. Contribute ideas and engage in discussion. The third one is ask for clarification when needed. Speak up if something is unclear. The fourth one is feel free to share. Express your thoughts or opinion openly. The last one is raise your hand or signal before speaking. Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Wait for your turn to talk. Also, I have some reminders to all of you. This will be help to our discussion go smoothly. Recording the Zoom. This GMIT will be recorded strictly for research document only or analysis purposes only. Right to confidentiality. All shared information will be kept confidential and used socially for research. No personal identifiers will be disclosed. Mute when not speaking. Keep your microphone muted when not contributing to avoid background noises. To maintain the recording clarity. Before we start with our questions, we'll play a game called Guess the Logo. In this game, we'll try to guess the popular online platforms that small business owner use. Alright? Who knows this one? Raise your hand if you know it. What do you think? Okay, Rago.
Shopee.
Let's see if shop. Correct. It's short. Next one, who wants to try? Okay, James, what do you think?
Lazada.
Let's see. Yes, another favorite for small business. Lazada. Well done. Next logo. Where do small business go viral? Fun video. Who wants to try? Please raise your hand. Okay, Leanne, what is your answer?
TikTok.
Correct. TikTok. It's perfect. It's perfect for viral marketing. Okay, for the last one, fashion lovers, this is for you. Any guesses? Okay, Martin, what is your answer?
Shin.
Exactly, Ed Shein, a popular platform for trendy clothes. Great job, everyone. That's fun. Now let's move on. Okay, let's start to our simple questions. If you agree to this question, kindly react hard. Okay. The first question is online platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok can be help increase the income of small business owners. Did you agree? Hard react now. Let's check how many of you are agree. Okay, some of you are agree. All of you are agree. The second one is online platforms and tools reduce the cost of business operation for small enterprises. Now, if you agree, please heart react. Okay, a lot of you are agree. The last one is social media internet platforms are helpful to small businesses, and because of this, they are available to grow their business rapidly. Okay, heart react if you agree. Okay, a lot of you agree to the statement, and some of the questions. Now let's move on to the complex question. If you like to answer, please click raise your hand button. You can also explain your answer if you are agree or disagree with this question. Feel free to share your thoughts or opinion. There are no wrong answers here. The first one question is, what challenges do small businesses face when relying heavily on online platforms for the growth, and how can this be addressed? Who wants to answer for this question? Okay, Honey, you want to answer? What is your answer?
For me po, yes. Because space, challenge like limited digital skills, high potential, competition, and cyber security risks. And yun lang po.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, Martin, what is your answer?
I agree small business face platform changes and competition. I think it can be solved by using more platforms and strong branding.
Who wants to answer? The next. Okay, James, you want to answer? What is your answer?
For me, it's because online is focused. Small businesses struggle with a lot of rivals and cyber threats. They can fix this by standing out and protecting their data well.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's move on to the second question. In what ways do online platforms change the marketing strategy and consumer engagement methods of small business? Who wants to try? Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Oh, okay, Cleo, you want to answer? What is your answer?
Online platforms give small business more visibility or customer and sales opportunities. Thank you.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, honey, what is your answer?
Online platforms change marketing by allowing small business to reach wider audience.
How about you, Martin? You want to answer? Okay,
Uh,
Martin.
I think I agree with this because online platforms can make marketing easier and cheaper, helping reach more customers.
Any additional answer from Leanne?
For me, yes, online platform really helps small businesses to grow with convenient and lower costs.
How about you, James? What is your thoughts about this question? Okay, James.
Um, it's because online platforms shift marketing by offering broader and data-driven insights. They also change customer engagement to be more immediate and personalized.
Okay, good job, everyone. Thank you for your participation. That's it, everyone. This is the end of our discussion. If you have any follow-up questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Anyone? Okay, no questions. Thank you so much for your time and cooperation with us today. If you want a copy of our discussion, feel free to send me a direct message. Once again, thank you everyone for joining and see you next time.